Minasan, konnichiwa, Samurai Engineer Desk. In this video, we will solve the next problem under rational function. We are now in problem number 7. So let us proceed. Problem number 7, we have a given for problem number 7. That is x minus 7 for the numerator. We have x plus 14 for the denominator is equal to negative 3 over 4. So that is our given problem. So let us simplify. So we cannot simplify it right now, but we can cross multiply and solve. We are now proceed to solving it. So cross multiply 4 times x, that is 4x, negative 7 times 4, that is 28. Okay? It's equal to negative 3 times x is negative 3x, negative 3 times 14 is negative, so that is what? 12, 3, 42. Okay? 3 times 14 is 42. Okay? So, let us put 3x on the other side. It will become positive. So, it will become 7x. 3 plus 4 equals 7x. Let's put negative 28 to the other side. It will become positive. So, 42 minus 28, that is how much? 2 minus 8 is 4. And that is actually will become 2 minus 8 cannot be bar 1. Right? 12 minus 8 is 4. And then it will become 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So, this is negative because this is greater than the positive 28. It will become positive if you put that on the other side. So, it will become negative 14. So, therefore, x will become negative 14 divided by 7. That is negative 2. So, our answer is negative 2. Okay? By the way, do you have any question? Feel free to put your comments, question, advice, suggestion on the comment box below. Okay. Again, this is Dr. AP, and please wait for our next video on the solution for problem number 8.